Good morning. Today is Sunday and I made myself a smoothie today. I don't have a straw, so I'm gonna be eating it, drinking it with a spoon. It's kind of like ice cream, like almost melted ice cream, which I'm okay with. Pretty good. So today I got ready just a little bit, because I've been looking a little bit of a mess throughout this whole vlog. So I was just like, today I'm gonna look just a little bit presentable. And today I don't really have that much to do since I pretty much cleaned up every mess that was on the floor. But still, like, I don't have that much furniture, and I was planning on going to IKEA today, but it looks so cloudy and like gray today, which I'm okay with. I like the rain. I love the rain, but I don't like driving in the rain. So, but it's not raining at the moment, so I think I'm gonna eat, probably clean up a little bit because my counter space is full of stuff. So I'm probably gonna clean that up and then go to IKEA and pick up a little bit thing and then go to Walmart. I know that's what I want to do today. But
Is there a gyro in the room? You want a gyro?
I'm new here. You're asking me if there's a gyro? Oh, I think I'm the wrong person to ask that. I really don't want. I don't know.
What are you in the mood for? I never liked Panera like that.
What?
Yeah.
You tripping?
Like, I always thought Panera was for more blood on me.
No. A lot of people eat that too. It's good. If you have, well, the things that I usually eat healthy. I don't know if you eat healthy.
I mean, is Haitian food healthy?
No.
That's all I eat.
There's a lot of everything in there, bro.
That's literally all I eat. My God, let's put it backwards. Oh, man.
Backwards?
Yeah.
Ooh, Lord.
I got you.
Wait, how is it backwards?
Because you're supposed to be on the
Oh.
outside. Is that the instructions?
No.
Oh. Oh, so what are you
Hey guys, so today I didn't vlog at all. Okay, I didn't vlog at all. I had a whole lot to do, so I didn't have time to vlog. I had to go buy house stuff and I had to pick up some people, and I was supposed to have a little housewarming thing with my friends. So like the only new thing that I have today is this little mirror and the little plant that you see in the back. That's about it that we're gonna do today. Nothing much, but did get ready. This is the fit for today. I'm wearing socks because I don't have house slippers yet. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go order pizza now because it's almost time for me to go do that.
Oh, we being recorded. Oh my God. Hey guys. Welcome to the new crib, y'all. Welcome to your MTV crib. All right, man. Come on, man. Welcome to MTV crib, man. You know what I'm saying, man? We live here. Gleeful moment, you heard? We out here eating cheese, pizza. I know I can't eat that shit. I'm lactose intolerant. Y'all ain't even fuck
I know the
with
fuck you lying. Come get a pizza.
Lactose is the same thing as eating the pepperoni.
I just say I'm not eating cheese, pizza.
Yeah,
When
but
we
it's
was
the same
eating
thing. The
pizza
pepperoni
when
has
we was at the whatchamacallit?
the pepperoni has cheese on it too. Like macaroni. Please tell me one. I can macaroni.
Qu'est-ce que veut dire macaroni? Hein? Tu veux parler français?
Wait,
I put this in the freezer.
Tu veux parler français? Give me the book, nigga. You gonna piss for a little boy to buy all these.
I can't open this all the way because I
For just no one ever comes and is willing to stay. It says that no one ever comes and
thank you very much for the video.
Delicioso.
Oh,
April 10th.
was it August 10th?
It's April 10th.
It's August 10th, isn't it? Oh, birthday? Oh, no. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Bro, let's go, bro. Act out, bro.
After 99.
He has to say the whole word then though.
Don't come. I'm coming home. Don't leave.
Just count up after 99.
After 99. 100, nigga.
No, okay, and why am I helping them?
I don't know this shit.
Let them lose.
I mean, he should have had that. Oh, coaching the Clippers. Well, he got fired.
Dark River.
Yeah.
What's after Thursday?
Friday.
Oh,
Friday. Saturday. Saturday night? Saturday night?
Yeah.
He has to say live. We're gonna let y'all slide. We're gonna let y'all slide. Okay.
Oh, what do we have to do for the presidential debate? Us.
No, hold on, just to get the
Vote.
Yeah.
Wait.
No.
It was
No,
vote.
that don't count. That do not count.
The nigga that, you know.
That do not count. That.
I had it. I said the name.
Bad Bunny?
No. Y'all can keep that point.
Wanna see me do my dance in these $1,000 pants? Don't disrespect me and my mans. Bam, whole lot of choppers on your ass. Scram, we just putting dollars on your ass. This ass nigga gave his mama to the feds. Little brother, big brother, side I got the dread.